All right, good morning. So, what we're going to do today is we are going to be looking at factoring out trinomials by taking out a greatest common factor. If you remember from our last lesson, the first number in my trinomial, I gave you that as the greatest common factor. Well, today, this is not going to be the same. So we have to actually work through and pull out our greatest common factor. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to break down each number to see what the factors are, and then we're going to pick the obviously greatest number of those factors. So here's number one here. We've got 6x squared plus 4x plus 8. So I'm going to ask myself, what numbers make up 6? Well, that's going to be 1 times 6, and then we've got 2 times 3, okay, and that's it. What numbers make up 4? 1 times 4, and then we've got 2 times 2. So right now I'm looking for a common number. Obviously we've got 1 and we've got 2, so we have a good start there. Now 8, 1 times 8, and then 2 times 4. And I asked myself, of all my numbers, what's the greatest one they have in common? Well, look here. I've got a 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to factor out a 2 of everything. I'm going to bring my arrow down and have 2 parentheses. 6 divided by 2, that's going to give me 3. I'm going to bring down my x squared. 4 divided by 2, that's going to be a 2. I've got a positive here. I've got to bring down my x there, Mr. Porth. And then 8 divided by 2, that's going to give me a 4. Now, if I work backwards here and I distribute, I should get this answer. 2 times 3 is 6. Bring down x squared. 2 times 2x is 4x. And 2 times 4 is 8. Look at that. Exact same thing, okay? Let's try next one here. I have 10x squared plus 15x minus 20, all right? So what numbers make up 10? I've got 1 times 10, and then 2 times 5. I believe that's it, because the next number is going to be 5. 15. 1 and 15. 2 doesn't work. 3 times 3 and 5 works. That's it there. 20, I've got a few here. 1 times 20. 2 times 10. 3 doesn't work. 4 and 5 work. All right, so let's see here. What's the number here they've got? Oh, I have a 1, obviously. 2, there's a 2 there, but I've got no 2 here. What about 5? 5. Ooh, look at that, it's 5. So I'm going to divide out a 5 here for everything. I bring down my 5. I put it on the outside of parentheses. 10 divided by 5, that goes in twice. So I've got 2. I bring down my x squared. 15, 5 goes in 3 times. And I bring down my x. It's positive here. And look here, friends, I've got a negative. I'm just going to bring that guy straight down. 20 divided by 5, that's going to be 4. Okay, let's just check it out here. 5 times 2x squared is 10x squared. 5 times 3x is 15x. And 5 and negative 4 is negative 20. I'm good. All right. Hey, let's just try one more. All right, friends. Oh, let's go with 4x squared plus 10x plus, ooh, let's go negative instead, minus 12. Okay. And I look right here, I notice that, yeah, 4 goes into 12, but 4 does not go into 10. So I gotta break it down. What makes up 4? 1 times 4, and then 2 times 2, okay? What makes 10? 1 times 10, 2 times 5, I think that's it. What makes up 12? 1 and 12, 2 times 6, and then 3 times 4. All right, 2, 2, 2. Yep, that's it. So it's going to be 2's. So I divide everything here by 2. I bring my arrow down, so I've got 2 there. 4 divided by 2 is 2. I bring down my x squared. 10 divided by 2 is a positive 5x. And there's a negative. I bring down that negative, please. 12 divided by 2 gives me 6. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 and 5 is 10. I got it, sweet, okay? All right, so your assignment is gonna be 6 questions here. I'm gonna keep up with our Google Forms. I looked at another one, but I wasn't really confident in how I'd be able to actually transfer through. So this is what we're gonna keep on doing. All right, my friends, on your homework, I want you to watch out for those negatives. I have answers that are gonna be extremely close to each other, okay? Watch your signs. All right, hey, I hope everyone's doing great and well and staying safe. And I miss seeing you guys. All right, be good, okay? We'll see you later.